humankind had achieved a remarkable feat, establishing a permanent presence in space. The Earth, a blue-green jewel nestled in the vast cosmos, was now observed from a perspective that had once been the stuff of dreams. High above, at an altitude of 250 miles, a space station named Ecosphere orbited gracefully around the planet. Inside the Ecosphere, a group of scientists, explorers, and artists marveled at the breathtaking view. The windows of the station provided an awe-inspiring panorama of Earth. The blue oceans glistened under the sunlight, their waves dancing in harmony. The continents, adorned with sprawling cities and winding rivers, looked like intricate pieces of artwork. Clouds drifted by like cotton candy, casting ever-changing shadows on the land below. Dr. Maya Carter, a geologist, stood by the window, her face reflecting the mix of wonder and humility that the view inspired. It's hard to believe that just a few centuries ago, we could only imagine such a view, she mused. To witness our planet from this vantage point is a privilege beyond words. Captain Lou, the station's commander, floated nearby. Indeed, Dr. Carter. We've come so far as a species. From the first steps on the moon to this, a home in the heavens. But with progress comes responsibility. We see the Earth's beauty, but we also witness its vulnerabilities. As the crew members continued to observe, a storm brewed over the Atlantic Ocean, lightning illuminating the swirling clouds. Nature's power is on full display, remarked Javier, an atmospheric scientist. We're reminded of the Earth's complex systems and the delicate balance that sustains life. From their vantage point, they could also witness the anthropogenic marks on the planet. Glowing cities dotted the night side, evidence of humanity's presence and activity. Traces of pollution hung in the atmosphere, a stark reminder of the challenges that still lay ahead. Artist in residence, Arya, floated over, sketchpad in hand. I find inspiration in every aspect of this view. The colors, the patterns, the way the continents blend together. It's an artist's paradise. Over time, the crew of the Ecosphere conducted experiments to better understand Earth's systems, developed technologies for sustainable living in space, and fostered a sense of global unity. They shared their discoveries with people on Earth through real-time communication and broadcasts, deepening the connection between space and home. As months turned into years, the crew witnessed the changing seasons, the waxing and waning of polar ice, and the ever-shifting cloud patterns. They saw the resilience of Earth's ecosystems, the beauty of natural phenomena, and the potential for a brighter future. The view from 250 miles above the Earth became a symbol of hope, reminding humanity of their shared home and the imperative to protect it. The Ecosphere and its crew were not just observers, they were stewards of the planet, working towards a sustainable future for generations to come. And as they looked down at the world, they were filled with a profound sense of responsibility and gratitude for the view that had once been only a distant dream. A deep sense of interconnectedness grew among the crew members. They had become a tight-knit family, bound by their shared experiences and their commitment to the well-being of both Earth and space. One day, a crew member named Elena made an astonishing discovery while studying the Earth's atmosphere. She noticed subtle changes in the way light interacted with the upper layers of the atmosphere, creating ethereal displays of color and movement. The crew soon realized they were witnessing a new form of atmospheric phenomenon, a dance of charged particles that painted the sky with shimmering hues. They named it Aurora Terrae in honor of their unique perspective. Elena's discovery captivated not only the crew but also people on Earth. The sight of the Aurora Terrae became a global sensation, and artists around the world created their interpretations of this celestial ballet. The phenomenon was a testament to the beauty and mystery that still existed within the Earth's intricate systems. As the crew continued their observations, they also witnessed the collaborative efforts of nations below. Initiatives to restore ecosystems, harness renewable energy, and reduce pollution began to take hold. The view from space had given humanity a shared perspective, a unifying reminder of their collective responsibility. One day, the crew received a message from Earth. It was a holographic projection of a young girl standing in a lush forest. "Hello, Ecosphere," she exclaimed with a radiant smile. I'm Maria, and I'm from a village that used to be covered in pollution and trash. But now, thanks to the changes we've made inspired by your view, we have clean air, clean water, and green spaces to play in. I wanted to say thank you." Tears welled up in the eyes of the crew as they watched the message. Their mission had touched lives in ways they hadn't even imagined. The view from 250 miles above had ignited a spark of change, showing that even the smallest actions could ripple across the globe. Years turned into decades, and the crew eventually passed the torch to a new generation. The legacy of the ecosphere lived on, as did the commitment to safeguarding both Earth and the cosmos. The view from 250 miles above remained a source of inspiration, a reminder of the beauty, fragility, and boundless potential of the planet. And as humanity continued to look to the stars, the story of the ecosphere served as a guiding light, reminding them to cherish their home and to venture forth with a sense of wonder and responsibility, knowing that the view from above held lessons and aspirations for the journey ahead.